right now I'm at 52 Auto untuk ambil tayar, rim. Thank you Raymond for buying my wheels. Thank you brother, tolong.
Okay.
Bye bye baby, rindu. Selamat lagi. So 3 wheels managed to go inside the bonnet right here. And one got stuck lah. Oh banyak wheel lah itu lah. So next is LR Works to pick up my cheap tire. What cheap tire? After this I show you lah. See you in a bit. Panas tu. Woo! Alright guys, so right now I just picked up my Advan RG. I got a buyer, Raymond is buying that for me. Thank you Raymond for purchasing that Advan RG from my Satria. And I just bought that Koenig. Wheels. And right now I just left Moyan from 52 Auto lah. From 52 Auto to pick up my wheels just now lah. And right now I'm on the way to LR. To pick up my cheap UHP tire. Later on I'm gonna show you lah what brand it is and why do I choose that. It's just a temporary thing lah. That's one of the reason why I chose that tire lah. Later on I'll show you what tire it is. And yep, stay tuned. Okay, so while we're driving, maybe I can share with you guys a little bit on my plan for the Satria GTI. Okay, right now the car is okay. Kereta tak ada masalah. Cuma dia kita nak kemaskan sikit bahagian enjin dia punya wiring tu. Aku cakap macam ni sebab banyak aku baca dekat komen tu suruh aku cakap bahasa Melayu kan. Dia orang tak nak aku cakap English. Tak tahulah kenapa, mungkin tak faham kot. Minta maaf lah kan. Tapi aku punya, kalau aku cakap bahasa Semenanjung pun macam pelik-pelik lah juga bunyi. Kalau aku cakap bahasa Kuching, takut korang nanti tak faham kan. So that's why aku campur-campur lah Harap korang tak kecam lah. So guys, Satria tu sekarang aku nak buat dia punya, sekarang dia tengah buat wiring dekat Kalang 52 Auto. Untuk kemas-kemas dia punya wiring, buang-buang wiring yang tak guna, yang tak pakai. Lepas tu relocate balik bateri, bawa ke belakang. And then lepas tu hari tu aku dah beli skunk 2 intake. Tapi skunk 2 intake tu, masalah dia sekarang, dia boleh pakai, cuma it is meant for NA lah, bukan turbo punya kereta. So kalau aku nak fit balik skunk 2 tu dekat kereta aku sekarang, boleh. Cuma dia punya, entahlah, aku pun tak ingat lah apa Kalang cakap hari tu. But dia cakap if I want to have a better performing engine with that intake, I have to switch the cam to 272 lah, 272 degree punya cam. So I will have a better power band lah. Macam tu lah. Aku pun tak sure sangat sebab aku tak ada rekod lah hari tu apa dia cakap. But it's okay. So sekarang aku tak jadi pasang skunk 2, aku tak jadi pasang injector 510. So the plan right now is just to tidy up my engine bay. What else Oh yeah, do my weldings on the chassis, my header. Maybe do some general overhaul as well lah. We'll see how. I'm gonna bring to RZ Greece RZ Works for the next checkup after Kalang has done already finished with his work lah, with his wiring stuff. So then I will go to Reese. After Reese, then I will bring my car to YHP Yase to install my K20 coil, to install my S90 throttle body, and then after that, then I go to Eric to install my standalone. The reason why aku nak guna standalone sebab aku tak nak ada masalah dengan dengan MAF sensor tu. Because every time kereta aku boost kan, dia punya macam clip dekat MAF sensor tu macam patah tau. So aku tak nak lah pening-pening. Tiap kali aku boost, crack. Tiap kali aku boost, crack. So baik aku switch to standalone terus lah, so I can remove that MAF sensor. I think that's about it lah for the Satria. My expectation for that Satria, mungkin HP dia dalam 300 dah cukup dah untuk aku lanja-lanja kan. Tak lah lanja-lanja, just nak main-main lah. Nothing serious lah, just to experience the car. That's it. And then apa lagi Satria tu? Oh ya, dia punya bonnet tu aku mungkin buat carbon fiber sikit lah on the bonnet. And apa lagi tires aku tengah tunggu tires. Oh ya, the reason why aku tak buat Skang tu sebab 272 tak ada stock. So dah banyak tempat lah cari. Ada juga Syarul bantu aku untuk cari 272 tu. So memang tak ada stock. Nak guna 280 macam tak ngam. So tak apalah, aku pun macam it's okay, we can wait lah, the thing can wait. So right now I just want to tidy up the engine bay, dyno. Dah cukup. Aku pun nak experience juga dia punya feel stock. So nanti kalau 272 tu dah ada, baru kita upgrade dia punya piston. Apa lagi? Entahlah piston rod ke apa, crankshaft ke apa, kita upgrade sekali. So itu je kot untuk Satria. So guys, aku nak ucapkan terima kasih kepada semua yang menonton ni. Terima kasih juga untuk orang semua yang support Fast Kaca dari hari pertama. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting us since day one. We appreciate your time, your quota, internet quota. Thank you so much guys. Without you guys, I don't have the motivation and the reason or good enough purpose to continue to do this kind of videos or content for you guys lah. So keep supporting guys, keep supporting, keep showing me love, keep giving me love, keep showing love to all the Fast Kaca family. Thank you very much again to everyone who has been tuning in. So I'll keep you guys updated with my Satria build. We'll see, okay? We'll see how is everything in the next few months lah. Okay? So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Peace. Oh yeah, don't forget to tune in into our drag series as well. Drag series season 2 is back. Tell me down below what kind of cars you want to watch next in our drag series episodes. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, show me some love, give me some love, support our new merchandises, and peace. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye.